This is a progression to the basic drop step exercise for your gluteus medius muscle. With a 5-pound ankle weight strapped around your ankle, sidestep onto the stepper with your left foot with your hands on your hips. The opposite foot is dropped below the step to start. Hike that right foot up and level with your left foot that's on the stepper by pushing through the left heel and squeezing the left gluteus medius muscle. This contraction will cause your right hip to come up level with the left side and allow you to feel that good muscle burn in your left butt. Let the right foot drop back down and the right hip to follow to return to the start position. Perform 10 repetitions, doing 3 sets daily. This is a great way to activate and further strengthen your pelvic and sacroiliac joint stabilizing muscles after you've injured it. If you experience any pain or have any problems doing this exercise, consult your local physiotherapist before continuing.